This video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. So you can't directly transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. So we have some solutions or some ways to transfer Google Play balance to PayPal, but it's not going to be directly. So here are several strategies you can use to get your Google Play balance transferred to PayPal. So first, leverage third-party gift card marketplace. One of the easiest method to convert your Google Play balance is to use third-party marketplaces to sell Google Play gift cards. So you can purchase a Google Play gift card, then platforms like Cardtonic or PayPal Gifts allow you to sell your gift cards for cash. Then once you've listed your gift card, you will receive an offer from potential buyers, and after accepting an offer, the platform will handle the transaction, and you'll eventually receive cash in their PayPal account. So you can use Google Pay to link Google Pay balance in PayPal. So while Google Play itself doesn't allow direct transfer, using Google Pay is a great way to link your Google Play balance with PayPal indirectly. So download Google Pay from the App Store and set it up with your Google account. Make sure this is the same Google account that holds your Play balance. Navigate to the payment methods section in Google Pay and link your PayPal account. So you can use your Google Pay balance indirectly for transactions through Google Pay. This option lets you effectively spend your balance outside of just a Play Store. So that's it. You would be able to now transfer Google Play balance to your PayPal.